Hello guys, good morning and a warm welcome. You know this guy, right? He is Rowan Row. So he published his abs workout video 5 years back and got 40 million views. And I'm gonna try out that abs workout video today. All right, let's start and then I'll tell you how is it throughout the workout. All right, here we go. So he's giving his intro and talking about the exercises. You know, I skip all these. Let's get into the exercises. The very first exercises is high knees. All right, let's go. Oh, he already started. What? Oh, not 30 seconds, more. I thought it's just 30 seconds. Oh, must be 45 seconds. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, good. 45 seconds exercise and 15 seconds of rest. So, as he's doing, I am just walking around, following him. What is it? Second, plank, high to low. As you can see, there are so many active people at the beach early in the morning. People want to stay healthy. People want to lose excess fat. People want to stay fit. So, the best time to start is always early in the morning. Okay, so third exercise, what is it, bro? Is it on the floor? I think, yeah, it is. Half burpees. Wow, this is hard. Wow. Third exercise, and I'm kind of tired. That's why he has so shredded abs. I want something like this. What is it? Toe touches, all right. Like other videos, here also, he's not talking. He just gave his intro and started the workout. There's a background music. There's no voiceover. So he's not telling how to engage the muscles. You know, he's not keeping the audience. I'm not saying the video actually. Don't get me wrong. Okay, squat jump. All right. So, if he had told how to maintain the posture in all these exercises, would have been way better. Anyways, that's his style. I'm just here to try out his exercise. He's strong. I'm tired. Wow. Oh. Good. So this is how we should be starting our morning every day. I'm gonna start now and not stop until I side planks. Nothing much, just the planks. So here, the obliques and the lateral ab muscles are working, especially the obliques. Oh. I switched the side. So, I was supposed to switch side about 22 seconds. It's okay though. Switched a little late, but it's okay. Even he's sweating. I can see that he's just wiped off his sweat off his forehead. Good morning. All right. So, alternate lunges. I hit my knees on the floor and that hurts. You see in my background is Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building still, right? There are other buildings that are under construction in the world that is going to be taller than Burj Khalifa. But as of now, I'm proud that I'm seeing the world's tallest building and starting my morning. Wow. All right. What's next? Rowan, tell me, bro, what's next? Oh, standing exercise, all right. So, jumping jacks. I hope I'm not coming in between you and Burj Khalifa, right? Am I obstructing the view? If I am, sorry guys. If he was instructing throughout the video, also motivating the doer by saying, come on guys, you're always already there, few more seconds, keep it up, don't give up, let's go, you're there, I'm there with you, I'll help you through your journey, come on guys, let's hit it, would have been amazing. So, I'm trying lots of exercises. Later, I'm gonna create my own. And then, with all the things that I have watched in the internet, I'm gonna try my level best to make mine the best. But then, whether mine is good or not entirely depends on your decision. You like it, it's always the best. If you don't, that means I have another chance. I'll make another one until you're happy, because I'm here at your service. By profession, I'm a personal trainer, and I'm here to learn and teach. Okay, this is 9 minutes 20 seconds. The video is of 10 minutes 54 seconds. That means I have 1.5 minutes of exercise before it's over. So I think it's okay. This is easy, butt kicks. Okay, good morning. The easiest exercise so far. I'm holding the mic so you don't get any disturbance. Nepali people. Good morning.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this workout.
So, exercise, the video is complete, finished. So he said thank you for watching. So I also want to say thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for staying with me till the end. So as I said, I'm gonna try out most of the most popular videos on YouTube that is teaching us and you to build abs. And then end of the season, I'm gonna come up with the best and the most effective exercises that I figured out from all the videos and put it in one single video, the most effective ab workouts that's available on YouTube. See you guys. There's Burj Khalifa. Good morning. Have a good day, sir. So he smiled. That's fine. That's Burj Khalifa. That's the tallest building in the world. I wish you also stand tall in your life. Do good. Stay happy. Thank you for staying. See you again.